Hey folks, in this video I'm going to talk about mapping different categories in a map. Um, I downloaded, let me find this, from the city's um, open data portal. I downloaded zoning GIS data shapefile, which has all the shapefiles for different zoning districts of the city. For your information, zoning in the city has many different layers. You, for example, have these uh, overlay zones, and you can see what they are in one of the fields. Um, and they come in multiple layers. One of the layers is this one, and they have more um, the basic layer of zoning in the city. So I have downloaded this. Now it is time for me to, um, as we learned, reproject it. I'm going to do it very quickly. My map has NAD 1983 UTM Zone 18, and that's good. I'm going to data and export this guy to um, create a new folder here, um, calling this zoning, and here it's a little confusing because you have to select this um, folder, not the layer, and the layer name gonna be here, um, zoning projected. I don't exactly know what is the name of this basic layer of zoning. You can find in the metadata of the layer, and then I'm going to say from the environments, get the um, projection from the map, and then that's it. We will have a new layer. Here it is. I'm going to remove this one, and um, in the attribute table, we have a field that this is the zone district, our zoning district, and that explains each of these districts. For example, if I choose this one, we should be able to see where that one is. Here it is. Or this one that is there. You can click on these and use the identify tool, or they call it pop-up, and then see what zone every single district is. Um, but let me go back here, clear my selection. I want to create a map that we assign different colors to each of these districts. For that, you can go to the properties. No, for that you need to go to symbology, right? Click on that and symbology, and then the symbology window here opens. Here we can say, okay, represent this map. Let me close this one to see everything. You can close everything with single symbol, and that symbol is this green um, color. I can now go and open that drop down menu and say, hey, symbolize this layer by different categories and find the unique values in that categories in that layer and use them for different categories. Okay, now the next step is so now that we have the unique values as the representation, we need to say which field and or categories come from zoning district. So I'm going to do that. And then here are all the so many zoning types um, for um, or map. As you can see here, we have so many different layers. So many different categories, um, which could be very confusing. Probably would be best if we had a layer or a field that could have only the first um, character here, whether it is C or R, the main zones. But anyway, so that helps to understand that how this tool works. Usually we use this method if you have 10 categories for categorizing your map. Um, but probably this layer is not the best layer for this purpose. Um, because we're gonna have a long legend, and that's not basically not gonna work. But that's good. Just I wanted to show you how you can use the different categories for